these are the products that I have. I went down to Lowe's, my favorite hardware store, and picked up these items. So this is what I'm going to try. I picked up a couple packs of this wall repair patch, and I took the cover off of this tape here, and I hope you can see. I will make sure that it is written out on the video. Not quite sure if you can actually see that. There it is. So I got this tape. I'm just gonna try it out and see how it works, and take it from there. Okay, so we walk in the restroom, and I found this spot here. Wow. Now, like I said, no sheetrock. Might as well just go ahead and that's what little sheetrock it is. Okay, so what I want to do is just take off, just make sure it's trimmed. I don't think that's going to make a difference at all. Pretty much a done deal. It is what it is. Okay, let's just go ahead and make sure whatever wallpaper is remaining, might as well just go ahead and pull it out the way. All right, we're gonna stop right there, 'cause I guess everything else seems to be pretty solid for the most part. That's a soft spot there. I'm not gonna worry about that. Okay, again, I'm gonna try this product here. I have never used this product before, but when I walked around Lowe's, that was pretty much the only thing that really I felt that would actually work in my favor. So this is what you have. You wanna pull this off. Instructions on the back. Who needs to read them? I'll put it right there. I think that'll work perfectly. And it has a plastic paper. Just pull it right off. And there we go. Hey, solid as a rock. So you know what we're going to do next? We're going to smooth it out. Okay, again, we're going to use our patching plaster. I think I'm gonna start from in the middle and just work my way out, because I don't want to really go towards the lip. I like to go away from the lip because I don't want to cause it to peel up. And when you do this, it's not going to be pretty at first. I don't know if it'll ever be. But we're going to see. So what I'm going to do, just let it dry. And I'm going to let it dry overnight. And tomorrow, I'm going to come back and put another coat on it. And I'm going to sand it down too as well. So we will show all of that. Yeah, but that looks good. So far, so good. Anything better than a hole in the wall. All right, let me find another one. Now here we have a smaller hole. Really not that bad, but one thing about it, we're gonna paint over this wallpaper because there's no such thing as actually being able to steam it and get it off without damaging the complete wall in itself. So this is the smaller patch that comes in that kit. And I want you to know that I'm not advertising this product at all. I just want you to know what I have actually went and purchased and what can work for you. All right, again, we'll pull the plastic off. It didn't cover the whole crack, but it covered enough that I can actually put some filler in here. Come back and sand it later. I believe that'll do it. I like that. This has turned out very well. So I'm just going to put a second thin coat on it, because the less I put on it, the less I have to sand off. Just go fill in some of the blotches, some of the gaps. Okay. I'm satisfied with that. See if I can get that out. That'll work. Okay. That will work. So that'd be much easier to sand down. And I don't have to put a lot of pressure on. I'm trying to get away from doing that. All right, we back at it. And I'm going to use 80 grit sandpaper. And I'm going to go ahead and I got on a flat block. And just start sanding away. Now you can, once you sand it down with the 80 grit sandpaper, and I am wearing a mask, so if I sound like I'm a little buffering while I'm talking, I'm wearing a mask. So if you want to remove some of the scratches after using 80 grit sandpaper, you can go up to like a 20/20. But I think I'm going to be pretty satisfied with this. Now that is much better than a hole in the wall. And the only thing you have to do, just prime it, paint over it. And like I said, if you want to smooth it to get some of the scratches out, you can actually use a finer sandpaper. I would say 20/20, and just go ahead and get all this out. And this is good enough for me. All right, and I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.